Heather, go ahead. Hi, Heather.
Hi, how are you?
Great. What's your question?
Good. So, if we don't have Suzanne sitting in our office with us all the time telling us if our story is landing and giving us pointers on how to fix it, how do we know if our story is landing with the
That's a great
audience? How do
question.
we know if
Yeah, I
we're
like it.
connecting with them?
I was just talking about this the other day, Heather. There are three types of feedback, right? We talked about one earlier today, your bank account and your calendar, right? If your bank account is full and your calendar is full, that is a type of feedback. The second type of feedback is professional feedback. You need to give as many talks as you can in front of people like myself. So I'm a business coach and I have hundreds of people in my programs at any given time. And I tell people you need a business mentor and all that. Speaking requires a mentor more than any other subject material because we haven't even got into, Heather, your look. We haven't even got into your brand. We haven't even gotten into like the book writing side of kind of being an authority and all of that. So that's the second type, and you need to make sure that you are in a space and a place and working with someone who does speaking mentorship. That's number two. And the third type of feedback is you tape a lot of what you're doing and you go back and watch it. And just like I said did I say this in a VI? No, I said this in my Driven Business Schoolers were meeting yesterday. I looked at a woman in Driven Business School and I said, would you flip over backwards and knock a chair over to buy your offer? She said, no. I said, that's why your offer's not working. So you go and you play the tapes, right? You watch the tapes and you go, is this hysterical, right? And I mean, this is why you also have to have professional feedback. If somebody comes up to you and they're not making multiple 6 figures or 7 figures speaking, and they're not constantly booked and their calendar is not full, and they go, let me help you with your talk. That's not someone you want to take help from. Not because they're not a good person and not because they're not trying to be helpful, but because if they can't implement it, they can't direct you.